What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And today it's probably gonna be a short one. Today we're gonna be installing rear spats or rear aprons, rear bumper spats, whatever you guys want to call it, on the F30. And they're gonna go along right here. So here they are. I got these on eBay for about I want to say like 60 bucks, and I think they're just made by one guy who probably just makes them in his garage. There's just ABS plastic, a flat black, and I think these will really go well, especially since I already have the M Performance slip right there, and that's just raw PP flat black. And I also have the M Performance side skirts, which are also black. So let's just test these out. Probably gonna be something like that. And the way these mount is pretty simple. Just a couple self tappers, and they're already pre-drilled out for you. So pretty simple job. Just go ahead and line this up right here. From one end to the other end, and boom. If you guys want to see the back side. So it's pretty much where it mounts. Just gonna self tap it all the way throughout the bumper. So before installing the rear spats, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the bottom. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install the rear spats using the self tappers that the buyer gave me, and just enjoy. And that's it. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished. And I think it looks pretty good. I think it helps continue that line that the side skirt extensions create along with the front lip. You got the front lip right here, side skirt extensions, and those rear spats. Now that side's complete, all we have to do is work on the other side and we should be good to go. Self tappers. Pretty hard to work in this tiny garage, but that's okay. Make it work. Alright, so this side is done. So, pretty quick video today. I think it looks pretty good for $50, $60. I think it really accentuates the rear bumper a little bit. And once I get the M Performance diffuser, I think it'll just tie in everything together. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. For a low price of $60, I think this is a pretty good upgrade. especially if you don't want to go all fancy with carbon fiber stuff. I think this is a pretty good option. So yeah, I'll drop everything I used in the video in the description box below, and peace out.